start, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on, that way, you won't miss a single upload. This reborn SUV's second model year isn't just about these most extreme, most specialized models. Ford has also quietly updated the Bronco Wildtrak with a new HOSS 3.0 package. The Bronco Wildtrak is the mainline Bronco's high-speed off-road variant, designed to tackle desert whoops, jumps and yumps, exactly the sort of high-stress duty cycle where a high-performance, long-travel suspension isn't just a nice-to-have feature, it's a necessity. The new package is available on both 2- and 4-door models, and the heart of the system centers on aluminum body Fox 2.5-inch internal bypass dampers paired with unique spring rates. The $2,515 option package also includes a rear stabilizer bar. Just as importantly, HOSS 3.0 includes a heavier-duty steering rack cribbed from the Bronco Raptor parts bin. Ford officials say the new setup offers a 40% gain in maximum load versus lesser Bronco steering units. That's important, especially if you're planning on fitting larger rubber under your rig. Some Bronco owners have reported steering-related failures when off-roading, so this looks like a key hardware upgrade. Plus, it includes a bullier set of inner and outer tie rods that the Blue Oval says are 32% stronger than existing HOSS 1.0 and 2.0 suspension offerings. Rounding out the changes to the Wildtrak with HOSS 3.0 is a set of steel underbody bash plates and a powder-coated front bumper with integrated tow hooks and fog lights. If you've got a Bronco Wildtrak on order already, and you want to upgrade your vehicle to include the HOSS 3.0 package, you may be in luck, at least provided your truck-to-be is still an unscheduled order without an established build date. You'll want to contact your dealer for more information.